Ow, baby.
What's up?
Oh, sorry.
Back with another DIY video. We're doing the shifter. We're rebuilding it. So let's get into it. Okay, let's see what we're working with here. This is the shifter off my S14. And I already went ahead and took the rings out. It goes like bam in there and then like this on top. So you get a screwdriver inside there, pry it up, and it pops out, and then the whole thing comes up. I'll show you. I know, right? So this thing, bam, it just slides right out, just like that. And then we're gonna replace everything inside here, which I have new parts directly from Nissan, so I'm gonna show you that. Alright, here's all the new stuff from Nissan. I will list all of the part numbers and all the stuff that you need, so that you can just go there and, you know, click on it and just add it to cart, call it a day. We have rings, like this little snap rings, boots. This is called like something, it's assembly, something, I forget. It's a socket assembly. And 2 wave washers, I think they're called, and then what's this? It's the thing on the bottom of the shifter. You know what I'm talking about. If you are doing this, you know what this is. So all of it comes out to like $50 at the end of the day, and we're doing it because the short shifter that I have in the car is the B&M short shifter, and I personally hate it. The short shifts are just like ridiculous, so I'd rather just have the stock shifter in there and just make it nicer by rebuilding it. So that's what we're doing. Okay, slide it out first, and we're gonna take everything apart, like the collars and the socket assembly, and we're just gonna clean out the inside of the shifter and then the plate, and then we're gonna get to installing everything back in.
Who's group chats? Who's group chats, Ashley? Oh, I have that group chat, that's it.
Grease up this little ball right here, get our new piece on there, put it on. Damn. Alright, next thing, we're going to slide this socket assembly out, and then this is trash. And then this. We have extras, but we're not going to use this one. We use the new ones, and that's the inside. Can't really see. But clean all that up, and then we're going to slide the new socket assembly on there. Alright, moving on. Next thing, wave washer. Throw it in. And then get the new socket assembly and also throw it in. Bam, just like that. Cool. And then we're going to throw our shifter in. Let me lube up the ball first. Let's do that. So I actually went ahead and took it out and then lubed the outside of the socket assembly because it moves and stuff. So I just wanted, you know, the most like greased contact I could get. So next thing, once you have your shifter in, I actually put a second wave washer in here. It gets rid of some of the slack. So stock, it doesn't come like that. So I'm gonna put one in. Right, and then after that, it's just back in like it's supposed to. So that is this snap ring, and then this, I guess it's not really a snap ring, but this ring, I guess. So, alright, let me do that. Alright, now I'm just going to press it in. Alright, so that was harder than I thought it was going to be. But it's finally in, and this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see. But last thing to do is just get this boot all the way over the shifter, and then we're going to zip tie it right here, and then that's it. There it is, all said and done. Feels really good, and I'll make a video how it feels in the car later on. But that's it for the DIY. Thank you everybody so much for watching. I'll see you in another one. Quick message before you move on. All the things that I bought in there, you don't have to buy. Some things you can reuse, but if you want like the best authentic feel, then just buy all the stuff. And then also it's good having extras in case you break something, and then you could just use the new stuff and you're good. But you're gonna need an extra washer for sure, because we're gonna need two. And the rings, like the snap rings or whatever, you don't really need those brand new. You can reuse the old ones, but for the most part, you can get away with it. Spend, save 10 to 20 bucks, but I just bought everything brand new. So thanks for watching.